Alright, I went ahead and used my precision eyeballs to line up, and this is the setup we're going with. It's just going to be that bracket on some parallels. Nothing fancy. We'll see how I did lining it up. I'd say pretty close. Alright, deburr that, see how it lines up. Here's my last step that I'm going to do to it. I'm just going to put a light coat of spray paint on it. Let that cure for a little bit. Just give it a little bit of protection so it doesn't get all rusty. As you can see, it might not be the prettiest hole, but it'll work for what we're using it for. And that way we can have 4 full bolts on it. And I won't die when I'm riding, which would be ideal. Ideally, I don't die while riding this thing. I mean, I came pretty close last time, so let's keep the dying to a minimum while riding scooters, and let's just keep on scooting. And now that I have that open, I'm not even going to use that hole because I forgot to buy bolts. So we're going to roll with what we got. Nope. I think I just did a fine adjustment. I think that's enough braking power. Okay. You get a little tap hammer. I need a persuader. brake. Pretty good stopping power. I'm happy with that. I don't like that vibration though, so let's take care of that real quick. Alright. Let's see how that runs. Alright, it runs a little better. Very cool. Good job, me. Way to go, team. It's running like a champ now. Good stopping power, no rubbing. Please like, share, comment, all that fun stuff. And if you see me or anyone else out there scooting, please don't hit and kill us. Or if you are going to hit us, make sure you have enough bodily injury to cover our medical bills. I would appreciate that. Thank you. Watching paint dry. Yeah. Watch that paint dry. Yeah. This is how I love to spend my Fridays. Yeah. Hell yeah. Dry. You dirty slut of a paint. Fuck yeah. Dry so good. Why are you trying so good?